I love the color of green. Welcome to Outdoor Madness, everyone. Kerry Clark and Karen Clark here. So the last hike we did, we were in Washington State. Well, today we're in Oregon, Salem, Oregon. And as you can see, it's beautiful. So this is a really popular hike. It's called 10 Falls, but we're not doing the whole 10 Falls. And that's because I like to take my time. I don't like to rush. So basically we just took off, and this trail that we're on right now, this is the South Rim Trail. And the first waterfall that we're gonna come to, we actually could have drove to this waterfall, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to just take our time, enjoy the scenery, and as like I said, you can see it is just gorgeous. So we're gonna do 7 miles today, but we're gonna visit seven different waterfalls along this 7-mile hike. Just gorgeous. That's all I can tell you guys. This is just a beautiful hike. Okay, so something I didn't know before we came here, there is a bike path here also. You can see the bike path. So if you've got bikes, mountain bikes, e-bikes, I tell you, this would be awesome on a bike. Next time we come up here, we're bringing our bikes. So far, we've crossed the bike path twice, and it's asphalt, it's not dirt. Now it might turn into dirt later, but I don't think so. I think it's all asphalt. So I'll let you guys know as we keep going, because we're kind of like, it's almost like we crossed the trail a few times, the bike path trail. So, but yeah, if you have bikes, you can also come up here with your bikes. Awesome. So we are in another rainforest. Everywhere you look, green, green, and more green. My favorite color. So once again, this is the trail that we're hiking on right here, and right there is the bike path, right there. So it's pretty neat. I mean, so far it seems like the bike path is pretty much right alongside of the hiking trail, which I think is pretty neat. So yeah, next time I'm definitely bringing my bike. Okay, so now we're on the bike path, you guys. So that's what I mean, the bike path pretty much bike trail and rim trail.
Yeah, yes.
Well, that was the same one, so we can just go right here. So once again, the bike path goes that way, we're going this way. See how I just circled around and came out here?
Yeah.
And honestly, you guys, so far, this is really an easy hike. You do some climbs and stuff like that, but it's not hard at all. I mean, look at the ground. They got rock and asphalt kind of in there. Even with these roots coming up and stuff, you know, but it's not all dirt. So it's actually pretty easy. You do have some uphills and downhills, but that's what makes it fun, I think. You can see down there, the bike path is right there. So it's almost like we're just cutting across the bike path, you know, it's just like back and forth. Okay, so you got a little pool right here. Okay, so this is our first waterfall, guys, right here. So we were on the rim trail. We stayed on the rim trail for a while. Then you come to a sign that tells you can keep going on the rim trail. You can go to the north. What is it? North Upper?
North Upper Falls.
North Upper Falls. And this is the winter. I think this is the winter falls. So we just came down and this is the winter falls now. That you're looking at right here. In fact, when you're on the rim trail up there, you walk right across this, you know, and it's barely flowing right now, but still, it's nice to see while you're here. We're going to continue down this way. Yeah. We're not going to go back up, so we're going to continue down this way and keep going. But this is gorgeous. All right, so this is our first bridge we're coming to, you guys. I love bridges. Why? I don't know. I guess just because they're cool, especially when they're in the middle of a rainforest. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Check it out. It really opened up down here now. Oh, look at it. Now this one's flowing this way.
Leading to the lower falls?
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go this way. We just crossed the bridge. We're going to go back to the South Falls Lodge. That's where we started. But there's more waterfalls this way. So we're following the river right now. Alright, so remember, we started from up there. We were all the way up there. Now we're down at the bottom. So we're right next to the river. Following the river now. Pretty cool. Okay, you guys, so we're coming to our second waterfall now. So, see the sign says, don't go beyond that point, which we're not. But that's the waterfall right there. We're going to continue to go down, and you can see the trail right there. That's the trail right there. That kind of curves around. And I think you can actually walk. This is one of the ones that you can walk behind it, because you can see the trail down there. So we'll find out once we get down there. So this is the first waterfall that we get to walk behind, you guys. So here we go. Oh, this is it, you guys. We're right behind the waterfall. Unbelievable. And right now, we brought our rain ponchos with us, but we don't even need them. Because some of these, you go behind them, you know, and you got a lot of spray coming off, but this one's perfect. All right, you guys, so we just came from behind that waterfall. Now we're going to go this way, canyon trail, and see what we can find down there. So once we dropped down from the rim trail and we came to the first waterfall, the bike path had disappeared. So that bike path that we kept crossing over is 4 miles long, just to let you guys know. Okay, you guys, so this is the third waterfall on our hike so far. This is a really good spot to swim. So this is Drake Falls, 27 feet. Yeah, that's a good swimming hole right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But
all right, so now we're coming to our second bridge, guys. Oh, did you know that I love bridges? Oh yeah, gotta love the bridges, man. Okay, so we just crossed the bridge, which is right here. Double Falls is to the right.
Okay, so even though this is Double Falls, okay, so this is the fourth waterfall on the list. I guess you could say it's 5 because there's actually 2. But what happens is when you come into Silver Falls State Park, you can get a map, and the map lists the different names of the waterfalls that you visit along the hike. So with Double Falls, if you look just to the left of my finger, you can see the waterfall on top. So right there, yeah, that waterfall goes down, and then you can see the other one that falls down. So even though this is number 4 on the list, really is 2 waterfalls. But on the list, this would be number 4.
Right up there is where we were. That's the bridge, the second bridge that we crossed. Should be able to see the bridge right there. So that's where we were. Now we're down here at the 5th waterfall. So basically we're just following this river, you guys. Take a look at this. This kind of reminds me of Fern Canyon in Trinidad. See all the ferns that are just hanging on this wall? Take a look up. Wow, it's just beautiful. It's so calm down here too. So, we're back on the trail. That was our 5th waterfall. I mean, this is just unbelievable. But down there, babe, it's like Fern Canyon.
Oh, yeah.
All along the side there, it's just all ferns.
Yeah.
We are now coming to our 3rd bridge. Oh, by the way, did I tell you I like bridges? I know I'm retarded, but hey, that's just the way it is. Nice. Nice. Up the stairs we go. So now we're we're going back up. We are going up. How's it going?
All right.
Good.
Your backpack, I thought you had like a little animal on you for a minute.
Yeah, kind of an animal.
That's the monkey on her back. Look at this, you guys. This is crazy. All right, so here's a look at the bridge from up here. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Wow.
This is exactly, remember how Grand Canyon had this?
Yeah. Yep. So we're coming up to number 6. This one kind of looks like a trickle, but it's still a waterfall. So number 6. Kind of neat. It's like a shower. You know, it's more like a shower fall instead of a waterfall. Yeah, so we don't know if this is listed or not, you guys, but anyway, you can definitely see it's a waterfall. So that's number 6.
So not only is there 24 miles of walking trails, there's also 14 miles of horse trails. So you can also horseback ride around here. There's a lot of mountain biking trails around this area too, you guys. So if you're into mountain biking, just check out the best mountain biking trails in Silver Falls State Park. So there's different trails. The first one is the Upper Catamount Trail. Then you have the second one, which is called Corner to Corner. The third one is called Dwayne's World. The fourth is called Catamount Trail. And then the fifth is called Advanced Drops.
I didn't even think we were going to do this many waterfalls today, but this is number 7. And this is another one that you can walk behind. This is awesome. Wow. Feels so good too because it's nice and cool. It's pretty warm out today. Get back here, man, it's like a breath of fresh air. All right, you guys, so this is the last waterfall. This is number what, 8 that we've seen so far today?
7, but that one, if you don't count that green one.
Oh yeah, so yeah, number 7 on the list anyway.
Yes.
This is number 7.
This is called South Falls. So when you first come into the parking lot, Silver Falls State Park, and you go by the map, this would be the first waterfall that you see. But we didn't do that. We just took off, we hit the rim trail, just started exploring, and we worked our way down and around back to South Falls. So 7 miles, 7 waterfalls, and let me tell you, it was unbelievable. We took our time. In fact, we didn't even realize we did 7 miles until we got back to this fall and we checked out the Fitbit and we saw that we did 7 miles. So if you're in Oregon, I highly recommend Silver Falls State Park. Even if you can't do all 10 of these waterfalls, just check out as many as you can because you will enjoy it. I'm Kevin Clark for Outdoor Madness. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you somewhere in the great outdoors.
Bye.